Welcome students. Today we will learn lesson number 8, useful and harmful microbes from standard 9th subject science 2. From this lesson we will learn about useful microorganism and harmful microorganism. So let's we start. Can you recall what is meant by microbes? A microorganism, especially a bacterium causing disease or fermentation. What are their characteristics? Microorganisms or microbes are microscopic organisms that exist as unicellular, multicellular, or cell clusters. Microorganisms are widespread in nature and beneficial to life, but some can cause serious harm. They can be divided into 6 major types: bacteria, archaea, fungi, protozoa, algae, and viruses. How did you observe microbes? An entire unseen world can be opened up to us with the use of microscope. Microscope allow us to observe microorganisms that cannot be seen with the naked eye. You are familiar with the different types of microbes which are all around us but cannot be seen with our eyes. In what way are they related to our everyday life? So first we have to take information about the useful microorganism. So first useful microbe is lactobacilli. Smear a drop of a fresh buttermilk on a glass slide. Stain it with methylene blue and put a cover slip over it. Observe the smear under the 10x objective of a compound microscope and then with the more powerful 60x objective. Did you notice the blue rod shaped organism moving around? They are lactobacilli, a kind of bacteria. They are minute and rectangular in shape. Lactobacilli are anaerobic bacteria, that is, they can produce energy without the use of oxygen. Can you tell how is yogurt made from milk? What exactly happens in this process? The lactobacilli convert lactose, the sugar in the milk, into lactic acid. This process is called fermentation. As a result, the pH of milk decreases, causing coagulation of milk proteins. Thus, milk proteins are separated from other constituents of milk. This is what happens when milk changes into yogurt. Yogurt has a specific sour taste due to lactic acid. The low pH destroys harmful microbes present in the milk. Now, time to use your brain power. Why do doctors advise you to have yogurt or buttermilk if you have indigestion or abdominal discomfort? Because yogurt or buttermilk contains bacteria which generally helps in digestion. These bacteria are known as probiotics and are found in the digestive tract. It also rich in protein content which help in the easy digestion. Sometimes yogurt becomes bitter and froths up. Why does this happen? Because during the fermentation process, the lactose present in the milk is converted to lactic acid under ambient environmental conditions. If this is not done, then the fermentation continues and more amount of lactic acid is produced and turns the curd bitter. Which different milk products are obtained at home by fermentation of the cream from the milk? Various milk products you got like buttermilk, ghee, Shrikhand can be obtained at home by fermentation of the cream from the milk. Do you know what is meant by probiotic yogurt and other foodstuffs that are popular nowadays? Useful microbes like lactobacilli are added to these eatables. Such eatables are healthy because they kill the harmful bacteria like a Clostridium in alimentary canal and help to improve our immunity. Let's we see uses of lactobacilli. Various milk products like yogurt, buttermilk, ghee, cheese, Shrikhand, etc. can be obtained by fermentation of milk. Lactobacilli fermentation is useful for large-scale production of cider, cocoa, pickles of vegetables, etc. Lactobacilli and some other useful microbes taken together are used to treat abdominal discomfort. Leavened fodder offered to domestic cattle like cows and buffaloes is fodder fermented with the help of lactobacilli. The lactobacilli fermentation process is used to make wine and some types of bread. Remaining part of this lesson we will see in our next lecture. Thanks to all for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.